Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to redeem code in Kingshot. Alright, let's begin. To redeem a code in Kingshot, first make sure you've unlocked the feature by leveling up or upgrading your town hall. Once that's done, tap the profile icon at the top left corner of the game. Then, go to the bottom right corner and select the cog icon to open settings. In the settings menu, you'll find the gift code option located below the notification section. Tap on it, and you'll see a field where you can enter your redeem code. Make sure the code you enter is valid and currently active. After typing it in, press the Redeem button. If the code is active, the rewards will be added to your account immediately. So that's basically how you can redeem code in Kingshot. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.